Hello, and welcome back to our beloved listeners. This is the 8-Minute English podcast series on the Learn English podcast channel. I'm your host, Nathan, and it's great to have you with us again. Dina and Elliot are the main characters in the story we will hear today. Dina is an expert in solving health and life questions from the audience, while Elliot is a loyal viewer of Dina and also has some health problems. We've prepared a special free PDF for this episode full of useful tips and vocabulary to help with your learning. Make sure to check it out. It'll be helpful for you. So let's get started right now.
How are you feeling today, Elliot?
Hi, Dina. I'm doing okay, I guess, but I've been having a tough time lately. That's actually why I wanted to talk to you.
I'm glad you're here, Elliot. You're not alone in feeling that way. Can you tell me more about what's been happening?
Sure. I've been really tired all the time, and it's hard to focus on my studies. Plus, I've been wanting sweets a lot. It's like I can't stop thinking about chocolate candy or soda. I know it's not good for me, but I just can't help it. I'm worried it's starting to affect my health and my schoolwork.
I hear you, Elliot. Sugar cravings can be hard to deal with, especially when you're already low on energy. It sounds like you're stuck in a bit of a cycle, being tired, reaching for sugar for a quick boost, and then feeling even more tired after.
Yeah, that's exactly how it feels. I eat something sweet to feel better, but then I crash and just want more. It's tiring because I know it's not helping, but I don't know how to stop.
I understand. I was in the same situation before. Before I lost weight, I wanted sugar all the time, especially when I was stressed or tired. It's a hard cycle to break, but it's possible. Let's start by understanding why these sugar cravings happen.
Yeah, I'm ready to hear that.
Sugar cravings can be caused by a few things. One big reason is stress. When we're stressed, our bodies make a hormone called cortisol. Cortisol can make you want sweet and high-fat foods. Another reason is lack of sleep. When you don't get enough sleep, your body looks for quick energy, and sugar is an easy choice. And then there's the effect of your eating habits. If you're used to eating a lot of sugary foods, your body can start to crave them often. Your brain links sugar with a quick reward, which is why you keep wanting it.
I think stress and not getting enough sleep are really affecting me right now. I've been staying up late to study and worrying a lot about my exams. I guess my body is just looking for something to help me get through it.
I get it, Elliot. Our bodies try to help us handle things, but sometimes they choose the wrong way. Sugar can give you quick energy, but it doesn't last long. It's like a quick fix. It helps for a bit, but the real problem is still there.
So what happens when we keep giving in to these cravings? I mean, besides gaining weight.
That's a great question, Elliot. Gaining weight is one clear effect, but eating too much sugar can cause other serious health problems too. Sugar can affect your heart health. It can raise levels of bad cholesterol and increase your blood pressure, which can lead to heart disease over time.
Wow, I didn't realize sugar could have such a big impact on my health. I guess I just thought it was something that would give me energy when I needed it.
A lot of people think that way, and I used to as well, especially when I was struggling with my weight.
It's definitely eye-opening. But what can I do? I mean, I can't just stop eating sugar completely, right?
You're right, Elliot. It's not necessary or realistic to cut out sugar completely. The important thing is to find healthier options that satisfy your cravings. For example, instead of eating candy or drinking soda, you can eat fruit like apples, berries, or oranges. They're naturally sweet and help manage blood sugar. Another option is to add a little honey or maple syrup as a natural sweetener. They're still sweet, but have some nutrients that regular sugar doesn't have.
I got it. I will try to add them to my meals.
One more thing to remember is the importance of regular meals. Skipping meals or waiting too long to eat can lead to sugar cravings because your body needs quick energy. Regularly eating small, balanced meals can help keep your energy up and reduce cravings.
I've noticed that I want to eat more sugar when I skip breakfast or don't have time for lunch. I'll try to make more time for breakfast. I usually just grab a coffee and go, but I can see how eating something more nutritious might help.
That's a great plan. It might feel different at first, but once you start eating regular meals, you'll notice your energy and cravings get better.
Let's learn some important vocabulary related to our topic. The first word is craving. It means a strong desire for something. Elliot has a constant craving for sweets, which makes it hard for him to say no to chocolate and candy. Let's move on to the next word, appetite. This word means the feeling that you want to eat food. When Dina was trying to manage her weight, her appetite for sugary foods increased whenever she was stressed. What about eye-opening? It means making you aware of something you didn't know before. Learning about the impact of sugar on health was an eye-opening experience for Elliot. Here's a verb, satisfy. This word means to please someone by giving them what they want or need. Eating fruit instead of candy can help satisfy your sweet tooth. Now we have the last word, cycle. It means a series of events that happen again and again in the same order. Elliot is caught in a cycle of eating sweets for a quick boost, feeling tired afterward, and then craving more sugar. Did you get all the new words? Let's delve into two important questions about our topic. The first question, what challenges might you face when trying to reduce sugary foods, and how can you overcome them? I think I might face strong cravings and low motivation, but I can overcome these by finding better options and making small changes over time. The second question, how can you apply the advice given in the podcast to your own eating habits? Personally, I can try eating more fruits and healthier snacks, being mindful, and handling stress better. How about you? I want to know your opinions on these questions. Please leave your comments below and let's discuss. Before ending this episode, I want to talk about mindful eating. It's about paying attention to what you eat and how it makes you feel. When you're mindful, you notice if you're really hungry or just eating because of habits or emotions. This can help you manage your sugar cravings by making you think more about what you eat. It's easier than it seems. Start by eating more slowly, take small bites, chew your food well, and focus on the taste. Avoid using your phone or watching TV so you can notice how your body feels. It might take some time, but this helps you make better choices with food. That wraps up today's episode on craving sugar and how to be healthier. I hope you found useful information in this episode. Sugar is a part of your life, so use it carefully and don't let it harm your health and life. Stay healthy until we meet again. Goodbye and see you next time.